recall is the shit you put me through, but not you. Maybe I need some therapy to bring back the sweet memory. Baby, I'm glad the good times faded, 'cause it feels so good to forget about you and me. Forget about you and me. Like amnesia. Like amnesia. Forget about you and me. I know time heals our wounds, 'cause the scars that we prove that it's true.
So guys, that's it for this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, hit the red subscribe button with the bell icon and tap on all notifications to never miss an update from us.